Impression Foncée by Paul Verlaine. Little Lady Mouse, black upon the grey of light. Little Lady Mouse, grey upon the night. Now they ring the bell, all good prisoners slumber deep. Now they ring the bell, nothing now but sleep. Only pleasant dreams, laughs enough for thinking of, only pleasant dreams, long live love. Moonlight over all, someone snoring heavily. Moonlight over all in reality. Now there comes a cloud, it is dark as midnight here. Now there comes a cloud, dawn begins to peer. Little Lady Mouse, rosy in a ray of blue. Little Lady Mouse, up now all of you.